Okay, we want to talk about the font editor within Vizrt. And we are in our classic mode. So we're going to go into the scene, into the render mode in the classic. And when we talk about the classic fonts, we have our F tab here and we slide a font up into our scene tree. You can see it within our scene editor window here. It provides us very limitations as to what we can do. We have materials that we could slide on it, such as that. We have a materials advanced that we could slide onto it. And with the exception of a few plugins to add to it, there's not much we could do. So within the classic mode of Vizrt, if you want to adjust your fonts further, if we go into one of those classic fonts, we can just double click on that font and it will bring up our text properties window. And the way that this works is that we have just basically a 4-quadrant system. We have our text down here in the lower right, and then we have modifiers up here. So we can slide down a modifier here, such as a blur, and then it gives us a little option here. We have our level here that we can adjust. We also have a Vertex Colors here that we could click on, and when we click on that, this would change the colors, so we could choose each corner of our text here and have varying colors on each one of these different corners here. We also have a contour, and we could click on that, and this will create a new contour. And you can see when we did that, it adjusted a little bit in the scene there. Again, we have an italic, so we could add an italic, and when we add the italic, we could go left or right in the negative, and you can see how that would affect that as well. We also have an outline, so we could add an outline to that font, and within the outline setting, you have an outline level, so you could increase or decrease that outline. And finally, we have an extrude that you could add as well. The extrude has the same parameters as plugins and within the Vizrt new fonts, so you can add extrusion depth as well. If you wanted to hide or delete any one of these parameters, you just take that little icon off next to it, and that will hide or get rid of that particular parameter. Now, once you have this saved or looking just as you like, you can just hit the save box, and that will get it saved to your Graphic Hub database where you can reuse it again in other scenes.